Good day, guys. Thank you for learning with me till now. So, our learning part completed with the 14 steps. So, in last class, we have seen some stylings to our application. We have added shell as a container, margins and paddings to the button text, everything, and added some theme colors to our application. It was good. And this here, we are going to create some nested views. So our panel is getting more and more complex, and now it is the time to move the panel content to a separate view. So if you are creating a 10-page application, okay, you need to navigate from one place to another, and you much steps on single app single view. So at that period of time, you will be creating some sort of nested views that will be also see, with that approach, the application structure is much easier to understand, and the individual parts of the app can be reused. Okay, so contemporary separate. This is the it will be help in reusing file. So the output is going to be the same, and we are going to create a separate XML. Okay, let's go dive into our live coding session, and we'll be dealing with how we'll be creating this and how we'll escape our development without giving more complex things to the applications and not giving efficient coding, and how to improve our applications efficiency overall, that right. Okay, so we are going to add some setups for that. So what we are going to do within our view, we are going to give create another new file. Okay, so I'm going to name that as hello panel, and extension is important, view.xml, right? Just give enter. Got it? Yes. And here we will start with simply MVC colon view, right? And within that we're going to fetch our controller name here. Yes, controller name. And sp dot m dot demo dot walk through, right? Dot controller dot hello panel. Let's write here hello panel, right? Okay, and okay, mm, and xmlns fetch your recipe dot m dot library, then um xmlns colon mvc, and going to fetch our okay, going to fetch our architecture mvc architecture, fine. So that's it. We're going to close this, and we're going to close our structure. MVC, fine. Okay, I think. Unnecessary commas. Okay, fine. So this is main declaration. We'll go to our old view, and here we can go, and we're going to grab our full panel. Okay, full panel. Just um, just give Control X, and within your you can paste it over here. Okay, I think no errors are found. And here within the view, it's just a main view, and we'll say the link between, we'll mention here how to mention that XML hyphen view, XML view. Okay, within that we are going to provide our view name. Okay, and what will be the view name? SAP.UI.demo dot walk through, and within the view and the name of the view. Hello, fun. Okay. This is how we will connect this app with our newly created app, and I think it is done. And we are also going to create a controller for connecting this new file for hello panel view. We are going to create controller dot. So go with definition SAP dot UI dot define. Okay, within that array, comma, and definition. Oops, definition. Okay. So within the array, oops. Okay. SP slash UI slash core slash MVC slash controller. Okay. Okay. And SAP slash UI slash yeah, we'll just add the M reference first slash message toast, and within the function we're going to pass two things over here, controller comma message toast, right? And within our function we'll I'll start with the strict. Okay. And we'll come into a standard controller, and we'll clean this out. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy this on hello method, just go control X and paste it over here. Okay, got it? So here we need to provide return controller dot extend to SCP dot UI dot demo dot walk through dot controller, and the controller name will be hello pan. Okay, fine. Um, so just throw a comma here, and within here you can just copy this. Okay. So yeah, it exactly looks as the same. There are no errors over here. I think it's fine for now. We just format it once. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, controller will check once the controller SAPI define, and we are going to remove the unnecessary things over here, because message to us is declared over there. We'll take this. Yep. Oops, okay. I think that's fun. We'll remove everything unnecessary things over here. Yes, we have empty controller as extended controller and add-on controller. Okay, let's try. I think it is working fine or not. We'll just go to our output page and we'll just make a refresh over here. Is it throwing any sort of error? Um, Failed to load module is there any spelling error? As if you do a demo, walk through controller dot hello panel, or it is showing failed to load from it is extended correctly. Uh, hmm, Everything is fine. Let us debug that. So there's no error in controller. Let us check in the view now. See, it is showing ACP/yum.demo. So we haven't used any sort of yum. ACP.demo, right? Let's check is it the error or anything else. It's not demo. It's not demo. Still some error. ACP demo walkthrough control. Fail to load. Okay, hello panel control. It's demo walkthrough control with hello panel. Um, it's fine now. Why to um okay. Let us check there's no errors here. Hello panel. Is it we'll check the error path. Fail to load component for the container program. Okay, okay. So I've got, we have mentioned m.ui at many places. So we'll change all those to just sf.ui at demo. Also check an nano panel. Once it's done. Okay, okay. Now we'll just try to refresh. Yeah, there you go. We got some errors. Don't worry about errors, because it's a best way of learning. So that's it. Coming to nested views, we'll just try next class with the next part. Okay. Thank you. I got you. You understood this. Bye. Good day.